This case has been so in secret for all these years, but now the trial is coming close, and it feels like, of course, the public has a right to know with these documents, right? But now it also seems like both sides want the potential jury pool to hear what they've got and to combat it. But I guess the first thing, let's start with the first thing here about this selfie that he took himself, conceivably, just hours after the murders happened. And remember, he's pleaded not guilty, and his attorney fights hard that he's innocent in all of this. But the roommate, one of the surviving roommates, DM, that actually opened her door and said she saw him in the hallway. Well, she explained that later to law enforcement in several interviews, and that's now in documents. And she said he was all in black. He was covered up through his nose and the forehead, so the only thing she could really see were some eyes and eyebrows. She said she couldn't remember the eyes, but the eyebrows were bushy. That's how she termed them. And so this is a picture prosecutors want to bring before a jury to say, bushy eyebrows, look at that picture. I see. And they will have to decide, right? You know, she also says, though, that when she saw the mugshot, she says, I don't know if that's him or not. She could not identify him at that point. So now the other aspect, K-bar knife. The K-bar knife sheath was found next to the body of Maddie Mogen. No murder weapon has ever been found. Right. But they subpoenaed his Amazon purchase records. And between March 20th and March 30th, 2022, according to legal documents, Brian Kohberger purchased a K-bar knife, a K-bar knife sheath, and a sharpener. Now, the defense is going to push back on that. We've read in filings from the prosecutor that they're going to say that that was planted there. He wasn't in the house, he was someplace else, they can prove it, and that was planted there. Last thing, the roommates. We know that this happened, law enforcement said, between 4 a.m. and 4:25 a.m. They started texting after that saying, I'm scared, I saw this guy, ski mask on, well, come to my room, which she did. But then they started looking at social media, Instagram, Snapchat, all of these social media sites for a long time. There's a little span of about 2 hours there. Don't know if they were up, not. They also tried to contact the victims. They tried to call their mom and dad. We don't know why, but continued to do the social media, not calling 911 till about noon the next day.